Hi kids! Welcome to another fun reading lesson. Are you ready to read? Let's begin. Sa, se, si, so, su. Let's repeat. Sa, se, si, so, su. Awesome reading. Now listen carefully and let's read slowly. Sa, se, si, so, su. Very good, kids. Great job so far. If you're enjoying this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun reading videos. Let's continue. Se, sa, su, si, so. Amazing. Si, su, sa, so, se. Excellent work. Let's try another rotation. So, su, se, sa, si. Fantastic reading. Keep going, kids. Si, so, su, se, sa. Wonderful job. Now, let's read again. Fast. Sa, se, si, so, su. Se, sa, su, si, so. Si, su, sa, so, se. So, su, se, sa, si. Si, so, su, se, sa. Good job! Let's go back to the start, kids. Sa, se, si, so, su. Again. Sa, se, si, so, su. Wonderful reading today, kids. Thank you for learning with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!